Hi everyone, it's Gloria. Welcome back to Tinker Wonderland. Today I have a Walmart clearance items to share with you, and this is just a few items, guys. So I decided to add a little bit of items that I also pick up at Dollar General. So this is also clearance at Dollar General. So uh, again, it's just a few items, so I just decided to combine them together. So without further ado, let me share with you what I got here. All right, first of all, I have my Drake here. He's checking out again what mom have here. And yeah, here we go, guys. I got this beautiful stuffed toy. There's my Drake. I got this beautiful stuffed toy at Walmart, and it's a Paw Patrol, and this is perfect for a kid. And look at that, guys. This is Chase. It says here hug me. It's by Squishy Mallows, so it's really soft, and for sure the kid will like this. I have a 1-year-old grandson, so I will give this to him. And this is Chase. Like I said, it's a Chase dog. Super cute. I love it though. So I picked that up. Next item I have here, this is by Hypertop 3-in-1 laser line torpedo level, and I only, again, this is also from the clearance aisle. I can't remember the price of all this, guys, so apologize for that. And I already throw the receipts, but I apologize. And this one is a magnetic pickup tool set. It's a perfect gift for a guy, for your loved ones. It's not just for Christmas or any holiday, also for birthday or any, or just because you want to give a gift. So that is perfect. All right, next I also pick up one of this or two or four of this back scratcher. Look at that. This is a Christmas clearance at Walmart, guys. And again, it says here $1 something, I believe so, but oh no, there, it's $1.50. But again, this is a clearance, so I didn't pay the $1.50 for this. It's something like 75 cents, so I believe so. So I pick up 4. Next item, I've got a lot of I love Ferrero Rocher chocolates. And this is good for a year now. So I pick up, I have 10 here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. I have 9 here, but I already finished one box. So I have 10. And again, guys, that is the clearance items at Walmart today. It's so hot. I want to I don't know what to say. I want to get more of this, but it's a temptation. Sweet temptation, so I just get that. And like I said, they have a lot of clearance, chocolate clearance items at Walmart now, but I don't want to get a lot of it. It will give me temptation to eat more sweets. But yeah, those are the things that I got from Walmart clearance. And here is the one that I got from Dollar General. It says here, spread your wings, let the magic happen. And this is by Dolly. Spread your wings and let the magic happen, by Dolly Parton, I believe so. This is a beautiful design or decoration. It says here $5, but I only paid $1 for this one. How cool is that? For $1. Next, I got from Dollar General is this beautiful calendar, desk calendar for 2025. This one is $1. Yeah, it's a mini desk calendar, 12-month calendar for $1 at Dollar General. And the last item I have here from Dollar General is this woven trivets for 2. It comes in 2-pack, and it's also $1. This is along with the Dolly Parton item. And I also get kitchen utensils, a jar, It's already in my kitchen. So yeah, that's all I have, guys. I hope you still enjoy watching this video. Again, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe on this channel, Tinker Wonderland. Until the next video, thank you all for watching. God bless everyone. Bye for now. See you next time. Oh, I almost forgot. I also got this Christmas stitch at Walmart. Isn't that cute, guys? And it's like ceramic, I believe so. But yeah, it's a stitch and I love it. There you have it. Thank you guys for watching.